and to please react to is Killing Me Softly, which is a Roberta Flack song, and this is a fingerstyle cover of that, so I don't want to waste any more time. I want to get started with this, and that's exactly what we're going to do.
That sounds different. Have I got the same song? Is it Killing Me Softly with his song, Killing Me Softly? Is it that song? Because that all at the beginning sounds different, unless that's just him doing his own thing at the beginning. Let's start it again. So we can run it in. Hopefully, I'll start recognising the melody in a minute.
All the way. Is this part of the song? I never heard this part of. I don't know what he's doing. He's improvising. Like, first 5 seconds, I'm already blasted. I'm already blown away. That was fucking beautiful! Man, oh man. Okay, let's go. Goddamn. Woo!
I'm sorry, I want to hear that opening again. That was a beautiful opening. Look at that, how quick he did that. Did you see how quick that was?
Now, okay.
Softly, with its heart, take my whole life. With its heart, killing me softly. I cannot comprehend it once again. He is adding a little bit of flavor and respect to the song by also just doing his own thing, and it just sounding like sex in my ears. Literally, it sounds like sex in my ears.
It's so silky smooth and effortless the way he runs up the fretboard, slides up, does them top bits, touches it, he's almost looking away, he's almost doing it as if he's bored. He's like, he plays it, he's like looking away from the guitar because he's probably done it that many fucking times that he is the master. Oh, that sounds nice.
Like, it doesn't sound like a bossa nova, like delicious, swingy, bluesy, little bit of a Brazilian style into that. There are so many things that I can tell you, that I can note, but that video would just turn out way too long. Goddamn! He is the guitar master. He is the guitar master, honestly. Like, that just sound lovely? Doesn't that just sound lovely once again, once again?
Plays the melodies in the initial chorus of the song. He plays some of it with two strings, you know, he gives it a fuller sound, and he just clicks it or touches it, and it just, everything he touches just turns to fucking gold when he's playing. It's remarkable. I said it in a few videos, I'm so jealous of this guy's guitar playing. I wish I could do even 1% of what this guy can do, because he's absolutely unreal. Absolutely unreal. I'm blown away every single time I watch Alip Bata.